It's essential that you know how to identify defects. So how are you going to do it? If you inspect your own home, I'm assuming your home doesn't have a whole lot of defects. A really good way is to, if you can, visit one of the InterNACHI House of Horrors. We have one in Florida, we have one in Colorado. It's a house with 1,000 defects, purposely installed, built under our roof, so that you can inspect a house with so many defects, it would take a lifetime to have that many defects inspected. So inspecting your own home, you probably know where the problems are. How do you get practice? Well, we have some resources to train yourself on defect identification. You want to learn how to identify defects, and you want to learn how to write up in your inspection reports those defects in clear to understand, concise, plain English language that describes your observations. We have a course. Click the link to get to, this is one of my favorite courses, Defect Recognition and Report Writing course. So we have a bunch of pictures of defects, and you learn how to identify them and how to write up your observations in an inspection report. And we have an online course. You just click the link and take the free online course right now.